be talking about Korean Hanbok bookmarks. So first let's talk about clothing. What kind of clothing do you like to wear? And what kind of clothing fascinates you? So that's something to think about. So now let's imagine that you're a fashion designer. You enjoy designing clothes. So draw an outfit that you like on a fashion model, or just draw the outfit. And as an activity, feel free to color and get really creative with it. So why we were talking about clothes, and this will be a video linked down below, is that we will be talking more about Hanbok. Hanbok is a traditional Korean clothing, and there are versions for both men and women, and this video is just a little bit about the history of it and talks a little bit more about what Hanbok is. So through different dynasties or different rulers or eras, they had different styles and it varied slightly. But you can see variations of Hanbok now, from like more traditional Hanbok or something more modern or casual. And usually Hanbok can be found during certain holidays or celebrations or festivals. So now let's talk about patterns. What are some of your favorite patterns to draw? Take some time to draw them. So as you can see, Hanbok and the patterns on Hanbok are very intricate and beautiful. If you could create your own Hanbok, what would it look like? So in this video, and this will also be linked in the description below, you can take a look at how people make Hanbok. I think it's a very interesting process, especially in this way. So it'll be linked below. And in terms of patterns, especially ones you can draw, here are a bunch of ideas that'll hopefully help you think of some for your version of a Hanbok. So this is just some of the differences between a male and female Hanbok. So for the female, there's a goram, there's a jogori, norige, kutdong, and the chima, or a skirt. And there's the jogori again. And they also, instead of a chima, they wear baji, which is pants. So, for this activity, we're going to make Hanbok bookmarks. And you can print this out. It's a free handout on ArtSphere's blog, and there'll be a link down below to this handout as well. So for this, just color and decorate each of these Hanbok bookmarks, and then around the edges, cut it out, and feel free to hole punch the top of the bookmarks where the little circle is, and attach some string. And you'll have your very own Hanbok bookmarks. And feel free to get really creative with this and add your own patterns and designs. You can make such beautiful outfits. So for this craft, you'll need paper if you're making your own, or you can just print out ArtSphere's free handout, which again will be linked down below. Color pencils, markers, crayons, paint, or any other decorating supplies you have, some scissors, a hole punch, which is optional, and string, which is also optional. So the instructions, once again, you can print your own or just draw it yourself, your own version of a Hanbok. And color and decorate the bookmark. You can get creative with different patterns and textures. And then once you cut around the edges of the bookmark, you can add a tassel if you would like, by using a hole punch and some string. And there will also be a link down below on how to make a tassel, a fancier tassel. So feel free to check that out as well. Thank you all for coming today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll hopefully see you in the next lesson. Bye!